Hi there, Wade Allen, National Technical Manager from Supply Partners, and I am here at the beautiful Southern Cross University Lismore campus in northern New South Wales, and I'm standing under one of 10 roofs of an extremely complex, very large 1.1 megawatt PV system. We're here with all of the partners that were involved. It stretches over 10 different roofs. There's 15 Fronius Inverters, 9 network protection boards, a full collaborative effort, and that's what you can expect with Supply Partners and our technical solutions team.
Our initial purpose for installing solar on campus was to be a leader in the community in this field, offset emissions, and also cost saving was a massive part of it. Our main objective was to get as many panels and as many roofs done with solar as we could, and that's what we've done today.
We are looking around 3 to 4 megawatt hour per day. The current generation is expected to offset around 60% of the loads for the site, as some of the buildings, the power is being utilized at the night.
This project in particular was split into 2 phases. We have contributed to the Clenergy engineering support, the network protection engineering support, and also the Fronius Inverters support.
A lot of our buildings and infrastructure is ageing. We don't have a lot of access to roofs and things like that on site. The design was customised per building, so it was challenging.
For us, making sure that we meet the client's requirement is an important aspect. It's very important for us and it's strategic to make sure that the selection of partners we have got in place does align with our vision. So Supply Partner has been one of those organizations that we have found very professional, active, be able to support us really well, working very closely with the government body.
This project had its own challenges. It sits nested in a bit of a forest here, so we've got shading issues, we've got lots of birds around, we've got lots of roofs to work with as well. There's 10 buildings. So we've got Eco 27 kilowatt inverters, we've got Toro 50 and 100 direct inverters as well, and they're all Fronius Austrian manufactured inverters. EQ Renewables and Ecologiq have used these inverters to fit the maximum amount of PV on the roofs that we have available.
It's a mixture of different roof types. We've got straight Coro roofs, we've got clip lock roofs. Every building's been built in a different era, so they've got different roof types, and we've been able to supply the interfaces to suit.
Networking through all these buildings and the protection boards talking to each other is done through LAN ports connections. So we are not depending on any wireless network connections to avoid any loss of data.
The great thing about the Fronius inverters is they'll all be able to connect, all communicate and monitor all of the systems together. This allows Southern Cross University to monitor their production of the system, the consumption of their loads during the day, and then to make the analysis of what battery is suitable in the future.
We are still working on a design to present to SCU separately in terms of how they can utilize through a battery storage system in future if they want to expand the system further.
For over 13 years now, Supply Partners has been offering our technical solution support to all of our customers, helping them get into the new segments and the newest thing in solar, and this is no different. 1.1 meg spread over 10 buildings, 24 inverters with comms. We've pulled together all of our strategic partnerships to make this one happen. That is what you can expect by using Supply Partners and our technical solutions team.